Designed for simplicity. Intuitive operation. Portable storage bag. Premium material. The battery compartment is located at the bottom. With a built-in 9 volts battery. Humidity correction range, 9.9. Press the power button. Open the cup lid. Measuring cup. Install the sample to be measured. Built-in temperature sensor. Fill it up until it is filled. Smooth out the cup mouth. Put on the top cover. Menu function keys. It can be used to analyze 19 different grains. Select sample, rice. Press the top cover down firmly. Slowly press down until the moisture value appears. Multiple tests provide more accurate results. Measurement range, 8 to 30.